After a day-long session of serious conversation on finance and real estate, which appeals more to your mind, I thought I'll try and appeal to your heart and leave you with a good thought before I leave this place. I was pulled into this last minute and I was wondering, what will I talk to you? I'm a marketing professional and my expertise lies in understanding consumers and consumer behavior. So we take a lot of effort and pain to understand how they think, what do they do when they go and choose a brand. Real estate is one industry which has seen a lot of marketing in the last few years, with a lot of investment going into print and television media. And brands have been built in the last 5 years, especially brands like Lodha and Raheja and various others. Every single real estate brand today has actually invested a lot in advertising and marketing. But come to think of it, when you build so many houses and office premises for various people, how many of us actually think about those so many people who actually build those structures and go back and don't have a proper house to live in or sleep? So they're actually living the phrase of building castles in the air because they don't have one when they go back and sleep to their homes. They continue to do this all their life but don't have a house of their own. I'm told retail industry is one that employs the most number of people after agriculture in this country. For every single house that gets built in this country, there are several thousand people who do not have a house in this country. It's actually appalling that India is growing at a fast pace and there are so many people who do not even have the basic needs of life. And this applies for children, for old people, for several other constituents of our country. As a banker to every Indian, we take immense pride, and with all humility I state that all our endeavors are geared towards addressing different fractions of the society. One such initiative we've taken recently is about addressing that aspect of our society. As you see here, the hashtag Be The Hope actually says it all. Please allow me a few minutes to talk about this new initiative. And the reason I want to emphasize about this is because all of you have a role to play in this. Be The Hope is a hashtag that we've come out with to launch a new initiative called Hope Loans. And yes, you heard that right, it's Hope Loans, not Home Loans, H-O-P-E, Hope Loans. As you can see, a little standee here. And I'll talk about this. Hope Loans, what is Hope Loans? Hope Loans is basically a concept that has been developed to not only address and help you realize your own hopes, but in choosing SBI to take your loans, you're actually in a way contributing to fulfill the hopes of the underprivileged sections of the society. How does it work? Very simple. If you are looking for a loan, be it a home or an auto loan, by simply choosing SBI, you will actually help SBI contribute a certain sum to different NGOs who work in different areas. For example, child education, shelter, clean environment, mobility solutions. Now, how is it that you can contribute? You are equally an important key stakeholder in this entire process that we've begun our journey on. We're hoping that you will partner with us by just suggesting to your clients, to people who come to you for buying your premises, your homes, to partner with SBI by choosing SBI loans. In a way, it is the consumer, it is yourself and us who will contribute together, partner together in contributing that money to those people. We are in the process of identifying 4 or 5 key NGOs across the country through our SBI Foundation, which is our company subsidiary company that looks at working in the CSR area. And they will identify NGOs based on a certain criteria. And we'll announce these names very soon. They will then help us disseminate the contribution that we will generate for every single loan that we process and disburse. And those NGOs will in turn translate that into benefits for these people. We are focused on girl education because a lot of people in this country still do not get to go to school. We focused on mobility solutions and clean environment because that's really the need of the hour. And we also want to do things in the area of shelter, obviously because we are in real estate and that's why shelter is very closely associated. So let me just walk you through a few slides on what this is all about. That's the launch campaign we've just launched last week. It talks about what do you call a loan that helps send a child back to school, that helps a deprived woman earn a living and self-respect, that assures an old man he will not be abandoned again, and ensures that an amputee can stand tall once more. What would you call a loan that is not just taken but gives back so much more in return? That's the chord I want to touch of yours. Let's all connect with our heart and reach out to those people who otherwise are deprived. All of you, I know, do a lot on your own, but I'm saying we are reaching out to all you guys to join us in our journey and make this a lot more successful by just making sure that your customers prefer SBI. We are not asking you to force them to choose SBI. All we're saying is, besides the normal benefits of it being SBI offering the lowest interest rates and almost waiving the processing fees, those are all rational benefits. We want to tell people, please join us with us in our effort to really help them. The next one is a specific ad on, this is an outdoor version. There's a home loan ad that's coming up. Can you have the home loan ad? Yeah, it says a home loan that nurtures a child's health is a hope loan. For every home loan disbursed, SBI pledges a sum to social cause. So we're basically talking about how each loan that you take from us, we will make an extra contribution to NGOs. Now, mind you, this is in addition to the 1% that we contribute, that we are supposed to contribute as per the government directives. This is over and above that. And likewise, there is a car loan ad. A car loan that helps light up someone's life is a hope loan. So basically, hope loans is about the journey that we have taken. My only request to all of you is, my humble request is, try and see if you can join us, try and see if we can all come together, make this a stronger proposition, because you are a very important stakeholder in this entire thing. That's all I have to share with you, and I hope that you will really come on board, and I'm counting on all of you.